What's up guys, it's your girl Steph and I'm coming here to give you guys a quick hair review. So I found the best hair on Amazon, and actually I didn't find it. It's all over YouTube. You guys have seen it. It's Nadula hair. Is it worth the hype? Yes, this hair is worth the hype. You guys, I got these bundles from Amazon. I don't remember the price, but it was the most affordable bundle deal that I've ever seen for the quality. When I'm telling y'all that the quality of this hair, okay, so let me tell y'all about the bottom. I bleached the bottom about 3 times, so no, it does not lift up color well. It doesn't bleach well. As you can see, it's still pretty dark. I was trying to go for a bleach blonde look, but that's not happening. Then I went ahead and dyed this. I'm gonna go ahead and take her out. I dyed the rest black. As you can see, the bottom is blonde or dirty blonde, and then she is jet black in the top. And this was a custom unit that I had one of my friends asked for, but she wanted 613 bleach blonde toned hair in the bottom and then jet black, so it did not work out, so I resold it. Anyways, I think when she stretches it out, I want to go ahead and try it on, but I can't right now because I have my afro and there's no way that I'm going to be able to braid my hair in time to try it on, so I'm going to try her on tomorrow. Anyways, you guys, this hair is all the hype. I definitely recommend it. If you guys want it to be blonde or dye it a different color, probably not. But other than that, I'm sure this hair is going to last years. If you are starting out by just making, like, you know, you're just starting to make wigs, this is like, I definitely recommend it. This is their 18-inch, 16-inch, 14 with a 12-inch closure. And let me go ahead and show you guys the wig structure. I made her myself, so, but like, let me show y'all that lace though. Let me show y'all this lace though. I actually dyed the lace a little bit by accident with hair dye, but she's serving scalp, you guys. Like, she's serving scalp. $500 hair, like, you see, like, it's like, as you can see, this hair is super thick and this hair does not shed at all, you guys. And I think my favorite part about the hair is just that it feels durable. You know, sometimes you get Amazon hair and it just feels like it's gonna last you a month or less. Like, yeah, this hair feels like it's gonna last forever, so I really like that, especially sending it out to my customers. I feel like you know, they get what they're buying. And I hope you guys, so yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about here. Definitely recommend Nadula hair. It's probably the best Amazon hair I have ever bought in, but I am on the hunt to find better always, so stay tuned. And I'm gonna work on my next wig tomorrow, so y'all better stay tuned. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to show you guys the process of how I got the hair color. So as you can see here, this is me testing out the bleach that didn't work. Why I decided to continue on making the wig after I knew that the bleach wasn't going to work, I don't know, but I don't recommend it. So here I was trying to test out if the strip was going to brighten bright enough to the 613 color so that I can tone it and get it bleach blonde. You're gonna see that it didn't work. Well, actually I don't think I show you, but it didn't work, obviously, because you see the end results in the beginning. This is me combing out the hair, and that's something you should do while you're bleaching your hair, just to make sure your strands are all covered. Blase blase. And this is now me covering it, waiting 10 minutes to check it back, and after those 10 minutes were done, I actually went back and bleached the hair. Okay guys, and this is the closure, and I'm gonna go ahead and put Vaseline on the closure so that it doesn't bleach the hair strands I was actually really paranoid of that. That was my first time bleaching a closure. Bleaching the knots on a closure, sorry. And everybody knows that's a must to get a good looking scalp. So here I am braiding it down. I got my thick mixture that wasn't as thick as I wanted it to be initially, so I went in with some powder and got it to be super thick, and then I used the back of my comb to spread it out. You want to use the back of your comb so that it doesn't apply a lot of pressure, because I feel like the brush applied too much pressure, and then the bleach was able to penetrate through the lace. So you want to make sure you just do that light coating right on top, and the Vaseline's gonna help you stop from bleaching the hair on the other side. So yeah, I didn't do the greatest job with the frontal. I realized I didn't even put enough pressure to get all the knots, so that's something to consider. Like, you can really do basically nothing. I also maybe just didn't leave it for long enough, but I mean, it worked good enough. It's still surface scalp. Here's me seeing the hair strand. I was a little disappointed because the hair quality is really good, so if it bleached well, I mean, I already knew that it was going to be way too good to be true. Like I said before, I went ahead and made the wig anyways. Like, I bleached all the hair anyways. Shouldn't have done that, but yeah. Also, another thing is, if you guys are bleaching your frontal, you need to get purple shampoo. I don't show the process here, but I did go get purple shampoo, and I purple shampooed the frontal, because if you're walking around with an orange scalp, that is not cute, boo. So here I am, and I am dyeing the other bundles black because my clients wanted jet black hair with bleach blonde underneath around the nape. And that's not what I got with this wig. I got more like caramel color, but I'm going to make a new wig obviously for her. Y'all, this hair is so good. Like, it does not shed at all. When I'm telling y'all, I bleached the heck out of this hair and it still remained in perfect condition. Like, I'm just in shock because it's so affordable. So yeah, I went ahead and dyed the hair. Blase blase. Let me speed this up. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope this helped. This hair is 100% beginner friendly. It'll last you forever. I love this hair. Get this hair. Don't bleach this hair, and wear it as more of like a natural hairstyle or wig, whatever. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye. I don't even know. Oh, but before you guys go, make sure you guys follow my Instagram at Stephanie Alani. And I also just got a hair page. It's called Alani Lux. I think that's what's going to be the name of my company, you guys. I'm not sure yet. But I think that's what it's going to be because it sounds good. Okay, guys. Please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. And I hope you guys get these bundles and slay your life away. Mwah. Have a good day. Bye.